Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can view activity history on Netflix app. Well, it's quite easy. So all you have to do is open your Netflix application and then from here make sure that you are logged into your account. Just like this, here you can see I'm logged into my account. Now you have to select your profile and simply open your profile. So after doing that, here you'll have to tap on your profile icon right here in the navigation bar, and then you can get the menu bar on the top. All you have to do is tap on it, and then from here you can get the option of account. Tap on account. And then from here, scroll down until you see the option of privacy and data settings. After tapping on privacy and data settings, here you'll get the option of viewing activity. Tap on viewing activity, and then in here you can see all of your activity history on your Netflix. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.